Principal quantum number part 4. Now the information given by the principal quantum number, that is fourth information, about the total number of electrons a shell can accommodate. That is, the principal quantum number n also determines the number of electrons in a shell can hold is equal to 2n square, where n is the principal quantum number, or maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated by a shell with principal quantum number n is equal to 2n square. This is also known as Pauli's exclusion principle. Where n is also known as the number of the given shell from the nucleus, or n stands for the orbit serial number. For example, if n is equal to n, if n is equal to 1, then k shell, then the maximum number of electrons k shell can accommodate is equal to 2n square is equal to 2 into 1 square is equal to 2 electrons. That is, if n is equal to 1, then k shell then 2 into 1 square is equal to 2 electrons. In the first cell. If n is equal to 2, L shell that is 2 into 2 square is equal to 8 electrons in the second shell. If n is equal to 3, M shell that is 2 into 3 square is equal to 18 electrons in the third cell. If n is equal to 4, n shell that is 2 into 4 square 32 electrons in the fourth shell. If n is equal to 5, O shell that is 2 into 5 square is equal to 50 electrons in the fifth shell. If n is equal to 6, then P shell that is 2 into 6 square is equal to 72 electrons in the sixth shell. If n is equal to 7, then Q shell that is 2 into 7 square is equal to 92 electrons in the 7th shell. If n is equal to 8, R shell for n is equal to 8, then 2 into 8 square is equal to 128 electrons in the 8th shell. So these are the maximum number of electrons: 2, 8, 18, 32, 50, 72, 92, 128, which can be accommodated in K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell, O shell, P shell, Q shell, and R shell respectively. So the maximum number of electrons increases in the shells when we are moving away from the nucleus. Now the question arises, what is the meaning of maximum number of electrons? Maximum number of electrons means that a shell cannot accommodate more than the maximum number of electrons, but it can hold or accommodate maximum number of electrons or less than maximum number of electrons. For example, if n is equal to 4, M shell can accommodate the maximum number of electrons are 32, or it can accommodate less than 32 electrons but cannot accommodate more than 32 electrons. Thank you.